most people teaching digital products leave out the most important part, how to actually sell them. And that's why so many beginners give up before they ever make a single sale, but not you. Because in this video, I'm not only going to show you exactly how to sell digital products online as a beginner with no audience, but I am also going to show you the hack that I use to find out what digital products you should actually sell. So you guys ready to get into it? Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is not to reinvent the wheel. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to sell digital products, right? So instead of guessing, what you should be doing is start by looking at what's already selling. Like when I first got started, I didn't know what to sell either. I paid attention to what actual products people were already making money with. Like I'd ask, what are they selling? Why are people buying it? Could I do something similar? And if the answer was no, then I would move on. But if the answer was yes, then I would write it down as an idea. And I'm going to show you in a minute the digital product that I sell. But first, here are some categories that are doing really well right now. And as I share these, I want you to ask yourself, okay, what could I create that solves a similar problem, all right? So the first one is printables and templates. You guys heard of these. These are super popular because they save people time. So some examples are 30-day Instagram story template pack in Canva, wedding planner printable bundle like checklist, budget sheets, and timelines. Everything you're gonna need to plan your wedding, here you go. People buy that. YouTube thumbnail template pack, ready to edit in Canva. These do really well for people who have a YouTube channel and aren't good at making thumbnails, which is really critical if you wanna do well on YouTube. So you see the pattern here? Each of these solve a very specific problem, and people will pay for speed and simplicity. Now, micro-learning courses are the new things. I want you guys to jump on board because I do this and it works really well. Like those big 100 video courses, those are of the past. They are dead. What's working now? People want quick, actionable results. So examples like 7-day Canva crash course for beginners, or the 14-day Instagram growth bootcamp, or 30 emails in 30 days, daily writing challenge. Challenges go crazy. Notice how every single one has a clear transformation. You know exactly what you're gonna walk away with at the end. So I want you guys to think about that. Whenever you're creating something, be specific, just like I'm talking about right now, okay? So those are a couple of examples that are working right now, but I wanna show you how to actually do this yourself. So listen to this quick hack that's working right now. So instead of searching YouTube for how to sell PDFs, for example, or how to sell ebooks, those are usually tutorials from people who may not even be selling it. So instead, do this. Search for how I made money selling PDFs. The keyword, how I. This is gold because it pulls up real stories of people showing exactly what worked for them. So for example, the first video I found when I put in how I make money with PDFs was this guy. And he made money with this ebook, helping parents get their kids to sleep through the night. Now his strategy was really smart. He hung out in niche Facebook groups where parents were desperate for help getting their kids to sleep. He shared his story, answered questions, and said, I had the same problem. I made a little guide that worked like magic for us. If you want it, I'm happy to share. And people bought it. He sold it for $9, which is a total no-brainer price. And here's the point I'm trying to make. If you solved a problem like this in your own life, you could do the same thing. Now, some people are gonna say, well, someone else is already doing that, so I guess I won't do that. But listen to this. Your story is your story. You are one of one. No one else has your exact experience or your voice. Like Whitney Bonds, I'm in one of the most competitive niches on YouTube, personal finance. It's filled with competition. How do I stand out? I'm just me. I can only be me. The real key, guys, is just niching down and being very specific about the transformation that your product delivers. And people love numbers and clarity. So like 7-step checklist for better sleep, or how to lose 5 pounds in 30 days. People want that. Think about what transformation you can provide for somebody else. That's what makes an offer feel irresistible. So once you've done your research and picked your idea, the next step is creating the digital product itself. So for time's sake, I put together a free guide showing you exactly how I do this inside GoHighlevel, but you can use other platforms too, but this is the one that I use. And once you've built the product, the very next thing you're gonna need to do is get a domain name. Because if you're gonna sell, you need a professional link to send to people. Your domain name is just the address of your website. So using your own name or brand works, but this is the problem. Most of them are already taken. That's why I recommend .store domains. They instantly signal, this is where you buy something. And it's not just me. Big names like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Rihanna, they all use .store. And it's not a coincidence either. A recent study showed that .store domains get 87% more traffic and 2 times better Google rankings than traditional ones. And because .store is sponsoring this video, you know what? They are giving my viewers something crazy. Right now, you can get your .store domain for just 99 cents using the code Whitney if you click on my link in the description below. Now you can register it through GoDaddy or Namecheap, but the coupon only works with the link below, okay? So I want to thank Dot Store for sponsoring this video and giving my users this awesome offer. All right, now you've got your digital product, you created your domain name, but here's the part most beginners get stuck on. How do you actually get people to see and buy it? Having a product and a website does not mean sales will magically show up. What matters now is selling and marketing. So one way to sell with no audience is actually through the very thing you're watching right now. Now, before you guys roll your eyes, stay with me. I never wanted to be on camera. I started a blog because I thought I could hide behind the scenes. I did not want to be on camera. But when Pinterest and Google changed, traffic dried up. And if no one sees my blog, I don't make any money. So I had to get on YouTube because this was where people were going. This is where they were watching. So I needed to be where people were. So I started filming in the corner of my daughter's bedroom with a teleprompter. Like right now, I am reading from a teleprompter. I had to eliminate all distractions because it's not something that I wanted to do, but I wanted to stay home more than anything and raise my kids and live life on my own terms and make good money. So I started a YouTube channel. So let me just show you my strategy before you just give up on me, okay? So I saw the course on how to make money on Etsy with printables. So I asked, what would actually people be searching for if they wanted to get this course? I wanted to see what would make them want to buy this course. And this is the hack that I want to share with you guys, and I want you to use it for yourself too. When you start typing into YouTube, it auto-fills the rest of the question. They do it before you even finish answering your question. You know how do they do that? They take all the past searches that other people have made, and then they say, oh, most people are searching for this thing. Let's help these new people who are searching for things. Let's answer their question before they already even ask it, because we know all these other people are already asking the same question. That's the hack. That's how you know you have a solution to somebody's problem, because it's already populating before you can even ask. Does that make sense? So do you know what I did? I made a video answering that exact question that I saw people were searching for. And I put that in my title. I said the words in the video because YouTube transcribes what you say. And I put that in the description because I wanted, when people ask that question, how to make money selling printables on Etsy, I wanted my video to be the first thing that comes up in the search engine. YouTube is a search engine, guys. This is how we use it. This is why you don't have to be an influencer. This is why I don't have to vlog and show my life and my family. I just create helpful content that is solving someone's problem. So look at this. When people search for how to make money selling printables, my video is the very first one you see. So which one do you think they're gonna click on? It's mine. And think about it, they are intentionally asking, how do I do this? They want the answer to their problem. And in the video, I give a very helpful video, but you can only do so much in a video, right? That's when you offer the course if they want to learn more and dig deeper. And that course runs for $197. That's the power of YouTube. Do you see why I'm so passionate about this? And if you need one more push, I almost deleted a video once because nobody, I'm telling you, nobody watched it for months. And I was embarrassed, but I have this saying, trust the process, not the progress. So I left it up there. And 5 months later, 5 months, it blew up and went on to make me over $30,000 from one video. So I put together a free guide if you want to see the exact strategy that I use, because results don't always happen instantly. I'm telling you guys, don't believe the hype. But with this method, they come. So let's recap. Find out what's already selling, right? Create your digital product, grab a domain name, and use YouTube or even these Facebook groups to sell it. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What are you going to try? Drop a comment and let me know below, because I love to see who actually sticks around to the end of my videos. Like, you made it. Comment the word you made it if you're still here. And if you want to see one of my favorite business ideas for this year, check this video out right now. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.